potential difference and power for use with AS physics. Potential difference is defined by V equals W over Q. So that is voltage is equal to W, which is work done, energy, divided by the unit of charge. Okay, and if we have a set of two charged plates, one is charged negatively and one is charged positively, and we assume they have the same charge except that they are just opposite, positive and negative. If we were to move one charged particle from the negative to the positively charged, we would give that particle some kinetic energy, and we can see that moving dot shows the direction of travel. We could say that the kinetic energy of that moving charged particle is equal to W, the work done, and that's equal to Q times by V, the charge, times by the voltage or potential difference. Power is equal to work done divided by time, and the units of that are watts. Power is also equal to the current times by the voltage, and this is the same as Q times by V divided by T. So the charge times by voltage divided by time. Now a question for you to work through. Okay, if we now work through this together, we know that the charge on an individual electron, E, is equal to 1.6 times 10 to the minus 19. And obviously that would be a minus charge. However, we've not written it on this example. V is 1000 volts, and they are both given to us. We know E because that's a given, and we know V because it's stated in the question. So now we need to rearrange our first equation. That was V is equal to W over Q, and in this case we rearrange that to get the work done, W, and that is equal to Q, charge, times by V, voltage. We also know from previous work that Q is equal to NE, which is the number of electrons times by the charge on an individual electron. So we substitute those values in. W is equal to 1 times 1.6 times 10 to the minus 19 times by 1000. So that leaves us with W is equal to 1.6 times 10 to the minus 16 joules. So to recap, PD, potential difference, is voltage is equal to W divided by Q, and the units of voltage are volts. Power is equal to W over T. It is also equal to I times by V, which is the same as Q V divided by T. And the units of power are watts.